I know, guys, I'm late. Here's the reason. At my dad's house, I have the editor, but at my mom's house, it is completely unknown. But anyway, here are a few trains I caught, or actually a bunch if you're from the Hickory region. Here are the trains I caught on January 12th, 2019. And enjoy. And I'll have a few other things to say along the way. So for our first catch, we started off on the Norfolk Southern S line along the way to Salisbury, and we set up at the milepost S38 at Catawba to catch 135 come past the sighting. And surprisingly, compared to the last time I ever caught 135, it's surprisingly longer, which is what I'm used to. It has been short lately, though, and I don't know why. Which is why we'll probably not likely see M35 for a while, because it's an extension of 135. As well as when you catch 123, M23 is the extension of it. For the first time ever, folks, to actually save time, I'm actually going to start speeding up the footage, which is probably a lot more time efficient, in which we can get to more trains in less time. So, stick around, people. We'll be in Salisbury after 135. Okay, folks, our first foreign power's coming by. Now, I need you guys to decide this in the comments, because I'm going to show you, after this engine goes past, another engine with the same logo on the side. I need you guys to help me out. Yeah, the CIT that went past. I'm going to show you another clip. Back in 2018, I caught a CBFX in a VN paint scheme, but it had the same logo on the side. Tell me in the comments whether this engine should be considered CBFX or CIT. If you guys can help me out in the comments, that would be great. But stick around, folks. There's more coming. And now a northbound Amtrak is going to be pulling into the Salisbury station. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure this is Amtrak 74. Now, here's one thing I've noticed, is that the odd numbers go southbound and the even numbers go north. And kind of the same on the Norfolk Southern S line, with the exception of 123 and M23, is that the eastbound numbers are the even numbers and the westbound ones are always the odd numbers. But anyway, stick around, we're going to be seeing it pull out here shortly. And boom goes the dynamite. We have a southbound Amtrak coming. And if I'm not mistaken on this one, this is Amtrak 75, if I'm not mistaken. Either that or 77, I'm not sure. But either way, we have a southbound Amtrak coming by the Salisbury station. So after the Amtrak train departing, we have ourselves a Norfolk Southern going northbound and going to be stopping in Linwood. So after lunch, we ran up to the Yadkin River to catch the northbound manifest. Now, it's actually a much more clear shot on the other side, but somebody wouldn't let me over there. But anyway, stick around. We got a lot more coming. We got ourselves a southbound coming by the Salisbury station. The next one I think is going to be a really cool one, but this one's cool too. Stick around. Alright folks, here's the one I said was going to be a really cool one. We got another set of foreign power, and also a type of locomotive that is going to be probably extinct by 2025 or sooner. Let me just show you why. Yep, exactly. The high hood locomotives are probably going to be extinct pretty soon, but I'm just going to try and catch as many as I can because I personally have a good relationship with these old locomotives because that's what my parents used to see roll down the rails all the time. Makes me want to cry, but I don't cry. Stick around. here we go again. The same Amtrak that came southbound is going northbound again. So, stick around. We're going to have a few more manifests and then I'm going to leave. So, stick around. Here we go again. We have another northbound by the Salisbury station, and we are almost done. But stick around, there's some more. And here comes a manifest by the Yadkin River. And there's going to be one more, and then I'll end the video. Here's the exact same Amtrak we saw going northbound before, the first time going southbound. If I'm not mistaken, this is Amtrak 77. And finally, P60 to end that day, which is off the Norfolk Southern S line, and we set up just before the Y at about the milepost 0.5, if I'm not mistaken. So, here it comes. Stick around!